how to set downloaded files in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Here in Safari, go to general section and you can see here the download. The download is set into on my phone. So you can change this, okay, by tap this, and you can see here the store downloaded files on. So the downloaded files is saved into on my iPhone download folder. So you can change this or set to another folder by tap the others button, and you can tap the browse button below. And for my example, I saved the downloaded file into on my iPhone. And if you want to save on download, you can tap this, but for my example, I create another folder. So okay, you can tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and tap the new folder and change the name of your folder, Chad. And okay guys, we've successfully create a folder. And if you want to save the file, downloaded file on this Chad, okay, you can tap the Chad and tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to set as a folder save the downloaded files on your Safari. And okay guys, we have successfully set the downloaded files save in Safari on iPhone X.